So with the ever-rising popularity of Temu, people are asking a lot of questions about it. And the question that's been asked of us today is, can you get a Temu refund without actually returning the product? And the answer is yes, but it's very circumstantial. So you can sometimes get a Temu refund if you provide evidence that the product itself is faulty. You would obviously need to send pictures and so forth to customer support and explain the actual situation. 9 times out of 10, if it's something that's also rather cheap, it'll cost more to have them courier it back and forth. So they'll just provide you the refund and tell you to keep it. So yes, definitely go through the return policy. It is possible to refund something without returning the actual item. Again, it's just very circumstantial. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Do consider hitting subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.